Welcome back to my channel. What's up? So today I'm with OMGHerHair, out of this world hair. That's what they say. This is the packaging. This is the box I got it in. It has their social media here on the front, their social media information. Also their website is listed here at the top. So when I open the box, I see the wig with all the information on it. So before I jump into the wig, let's see what else is in the box. Of course, as you see these, it's a headband wig. So, oh my gosh, I love this color. I don't know if you guys realize, but I really do love this color. Every time I get it to act as if it's the first time I've seen it. But yeah, so I got this like bandeau. And then, I got, this is Always Be Girl. Hello girl. Okay. Yeah, so I got this headband. And I got another one. So those are all the headbands I got. Yeah, so I got this comb, which I always love getting these combs. Got an elastic band. And I got a wig cap. So that's all that I got in the box today. The code for this wig is HBW04. The length is 20 inches. It's a natural color. It's 150% in density. And the texture is kinky straight. So black girl magic kind of vibes today. When you get these textures, of course, they always feel stronger, more durable. I don't know, it just feels natural, like, natural blown out hair. There's just something about this texture that for some reason I always love it. If you're looking for that black girl magic kind of vibe, you want to have like that full hair look, super long and just full natural looking, and it just looks really good, I recommend a texture like this, especially if you have a similar hair texture. It will always come off even more natural. So it is definitely, a wig like this is definitely beginner friendly, no lace. You understand? You don't need no adhesive because you don't have no lace. It's just a headband wig. Yeah. You can do different styles on it. You can do multiple styles on it. It's definitely throw on and go vibes, and you get to protect your edges, and I can't stress that enough. I cannot stress that enough. Like when you can give your hairline a breather from all the glue, all the got to be spray and gels and all those stuff, it's a plus. So those are the pros to having a headband wig, and I don't think I've stressed those enough for you guys. And I'll put the direct link to this down below in the description box. And yeah, you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out if you're interested. Now Black Friday sale is going on, so go ahead and make use of that. So yeah, I'm posting this while the Black Friday sale is going on. You can definitely check out my channel for all the Black Friday deals on hair, wigs, all those type of stuff. So this is one of them. Go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and throw this on. For this, no, I'm going to go ahead and try to get it a little bit straighter, just because it has a dent here, because I've honestly just enjoyed using my flat iron ever since I got it the other day. I've been loving it, and I don't feel like I've worn enough. I don't think I've even really worn any like straight styles since I've gotten it. So like, I'm just gonna run through this with my flat iron, and then I'll come back. Okay? You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be a rapper.
could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. Do you with me? Do you with me? You could be with anyone. I could be with.
Guys, I'm pretty sure you saw how it's just one pass. I did only one pass for each section and it came out perfectly straight, just the way it's supposed to. I love that. I love that so much. So as you can see, I don't have on any headband with it right now. I give this quality a 10. I give the hair quality a 10. With this type of hair quality, I always realize, I'm being super honest, I don't get a lot of strands. The shedding is so minimal. I'm never going to tell you that there's absolutely no shedding. Even if I don't get no shedding same time, because eventually you get shedding. But this type of wig, so minimal, next to none. It's so minimal. So that's a big like plus for me. So I showed you the headbands. So which one should I put on? I already did this one already in so many other videos. This one is a very nice color, but I've always done these headbands, so I'm gonna do the bandeau today. It's really nice. Alright, so instead of just letting it down, I'm gonna do like a half up, half down with it today. Nothing you've never seen. I just feel like I want to do a little style.
Like that, I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around. You could.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this week today. It's amazing. I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this to anybody that's looking for that natural texture. It is easy to work with, super beginner friendly, hence the title, like super beginner friendly. I love it. It's super natural looking. Like, I honestly couldn't ask for more. Like, it's just beautiful, honestly. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it was informative, if you know you're gonna go ahead and get the wig for Black Friday, if you're gonna get a wig for as a gift for somebody for Christmas, if you're just enjoyed watching the video, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below. Also, let me know if you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, and if you're ready for Vlogmas, let me know. Vlogmas begins, is it next week? Oh my gosh. Go ahead, check out my vlog channel, Petite Sue TV, and catch on with that. So much work, but I'm so excited. OMGHerHair, OMGHerHair. You did it. I love this wig. It's a 10 out of 10. Flyaways, like next to none. It's so minimal, gorgeous, you know. So yeah, go ahead, check out my description box. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to be a nice clean self. Bye.
You could